There's nothing boho about this mirror currently, so project to come. Towels and some sheets ordered. Not totally sure if I'm going to love how it comes along until it's all together. We're getting there fast. I'm stoked about it.
What's up, fam?
I'm Montana.
I'm Vieran.
And we have been super hosts for 6 years now.
Damn, 6 years?
Yeah.
That's a long time.
So we went to Europe and backpacked in 2016 for 3 months. And stayed almost primarily in Airbnbs. And then when we came back in 2017, my parents got a place in St. Pete with a mother-in-law suite that we then managed for them.
Even after they sold it, we are still managing it.
Yeah, for the new owner, which is awesome. And we managed more Airbnbs for him too. So we started doing that. And then we also got his realtor license so that he can technically be a property manager, which is awesome. And then started working in property management, so lots of experience there. We both have a hospitality background in restaurants, so it was a natural fit. And then we backpacked Southeast Asia for 6 months last year.
After being in Asia, we realized that majority of the people there live in smaller spaces. So they gave us an idea of renting our 2 rooms downstairs because we have a 4-bedroom house and we don't even use these.
And after having backpacked Southeast Asia and staying in tiny places, we were like, we do not need all this space. We also don't want to go back to work full time. We're trying to figure something else out. So it made sense to pay our mortgage via renting out our 2 rooms downstairs. So that we had that time to build our businesses, which we are still in the process of doing, building our own tiny home. And so we decided to rent those 2 rooms out. We came back from our trip in January and we wanted to get this started ASAP. So we literally gave ourselves 2 weeks to get these 2 rooms together. It cost less than $1,000 for each room. We got that money back.
Was the bed, really?
Yeah, the one mattress. But we did it as fast as possible, and within 2 weeks we had gained that money back that we had spent in putting the rooms together. So like that goes to show what a good investment it is if you have an extra room that you can rent out at periods of time. And the best thing with short-term rentals is that you can block it off when you have friends or family visiting, which we do.
That's true, yeah.
So that's really the major benefit to us of doing a short-term rental versus having full-time roommates. Plus, like if you get a guest that's like not your cup of tea, they're gonna leave in a few weeks tops. So yeah, it's been a really great experience. A lot of the things that we used were things we already had or secondhand, but we did get quite a few like gadgets and gadgets, like the nightstand tables with USB plugs and like noise machines and bed frame and things that we did have to get brand new. So we are excited to share those items with you. So check out the description for links for those things. Yeah, so that you can decorate your Airbnb room just as well. And we've been doing it for almost a year now. We're really excited to show you what went into making them happen and what went in the rooms and how you can do it yourself. So check it out.
Check it out.
All right, so I'm in the process of cleaning up this room, which during the pandemic lockdown became my home gym. So that's what it's set up for currently-ish. I'll show you what it looks like now. Okay, so this was on the wall. It's missing a square. I hope I have an extra one or I have to get one. I have to do something with this because there's nothing boho about this mirror currently. So project to come. Same with this pegboard. Could be used for a lot of things, but cannot stay looking like this. Basically, we need to get new curtain rods. We have to get a bed. This bed actually goes in the other guest room. We do have this one piece. Cool. We can repurpose that. But yeah, so this is what the room looks like now. All right, this is where we're at now. We do have the desk and the side table, which is sweet. We have the towels and some sheets ordered. Still working on this. So we're still in progress, but like more things are ordered. So that's sweet. We have the bed frame coming. We have the bed sheets coming. We need to find a rug, but we're like pretty much there. we're getting there fast. I'm stoked about it. Okay, this is the Morocco room. This is how it's coming along so far. Got my couple of pieces on the wall. I need to put this tapestry up and I'm not totally sure how I'm going to do it yet. Some sheets are coming. I don't know, it's coming along. This room's a little bit more chaotic, so I'm not totally sure if I'm going to love how it comes along until it's all together. And I still like need to thrift some pieces, which, you know, need to be perfection. So that's hard. But it's happening. It's all happening. I'm excited that it's happening. And then just across the hall, we have the Bali room, and that's also coming together. I'm really liking how this is coming together. It's like a very creamy, golden color scheme, and like the rest of the things are coming this week. So I'm pretty sure this room should be done like very soon. What project we're working on now, babe?
Hanging up this tapestry of beautiful geometric figures.
It's a Moroccan doorway.
Moroccan doorway.
Ben, look at how perfect this bedspread is.
Oh, sure, that's here.
Chef's kiss.
Oh, wow.
It's literally perfection. How you doing here, punks?
Good.
Jeez. You look cute. Good job, baby.
Took forever, but we did it. Oh, you don't need to see this. Just take the thing out, babe.
Look at this. Look at this man.
I just came out of a hot tub. What do you expect? I wasn't expecting to be put to work.
Doing projects in a row.
So
that's how I like my men. Nude.
That's how you like them, huh?
Almost done, baby?
Sure.
I mean, in general, we're almost done. Guys, the Bali room is almost freaking finished. The bed is inflating, but it looks so good. I'm like so stoked with all the little craft projects that went into it. And just got this chair upholstered. I mean, I did it, but like I just reupholstered it. And did all the plates on the wall. Got a plant. I'm obsessed. Oh, hello. So I want to point out a few sick features that we have that you can also buy for your own room setup that are really cool and that have made a huge difference as far as the guest experience. So let's check them out, shall we? Okay, so number 1 and number 2 is going to be this awesome lamp that has USB plugs. And I have these on both sides of the bed. And the Morocco room also has these. They're just a different style, so I will link both in the description. But also both rooms have these sound machines. So these have different volumes, they have different sounds, and they're really great just because the rooms are adjacent and there's multiple of us in the house. So just in case someone's a really light sleeper, we've never had complaints of noise before, but we do have these. In addition to the sound machines, we also provide earplugs for our guests. I also, of course, bought the towels brand new, and so I'll link those. And also this awesome bed frame, which is, again, the same in the Morocco room, but a different color. The one in there is white. Yeah, so these are the great features that we have in our rooms that have made all the difference. They're relatively inexpensive, and you can get them right online, and I will link them for you so that you can get them for your own rooms. Happy hosting.